Hey guys, I'm finally gonna start working on the dollhouse today, and this is all the wood that I've gotten. I have the book here with me, and the first thing that I am going to do will be to draw out which part of the wood that I'm supposed to cut for the dollhouse. The windows and doors and everything, I need to cut those out later, so I will be doing the drawing at home first, and then I'll bring everything outside the house so I can saw it outside because there's gonna be a lot of wood dust and things like that. Yeah, I think it's better if I do it outside when that happens. So let's get started. It is so damn hot today. I haven't even started on anything and I'm already sweating like hell. Wish me luck. I think outside it's gonna be even hotter, so yeah. Hey guys, I hope you can hear me. Let me check. So I'm back here. Sorry about the construction. We actually have like this construction that's been going on for months, like right beside our HDB buildings. I apologize for it. I hope you can hear me. But anyway, I probably spent about at least 3 hours to draw out what I need to cut, etc. So yeah, it took me really long, and this is about the amount of wood that I used. I actually didn't use quite a lot of wood. I forgot that I did like order a few more just in case. Like for example, if I mess up anything, I will have at least one extra of each piece. It's very gassy of me, but I just needed to make sure that I don't want to reorder and like, you know, have to wait another 5 to 10 days. So I'd rather have extra wood than have like less wood. Yeah, but it's great that I did that because I remembered that I couldn't find one of the strip wood that was needed, and I realized that I could use one of the board to do so. I actually draw out all the lines for the strip wood that I'm going to use. So I will cut this out later too, and yeah, I'm glad I got extra wood. Doing this on the floor is a really horrible idea. My back hurts like hell now. But this place is the brightest out of all the house, so I had to do it here lah because I need the sunlight, right? Out of like all the wood pieces that I got, only one side measurement is a bit wrong. Like one of the wood piece is supposed to be 46.5, but the wood that I received was 46.1, and that really disrupt the measurements quite a bit. So I have to make sure that the top and bottom of the wood piece has to minus 0.2 cm, and it was really quite a headache because it was this front piece, and as you can see, it has a lot of windows, and I erased quite a lot because I keep messing it up, even though I thought it was correct, but obviously not. It was pretty unlucky that this piece was the one that has the measurements wrong, and I basically spent a lot of time on this. But yeah, it's done. And also this squared ruler, I think it's squared ruler, L-shaped ruler, right angle ruler, whatever you want to call it. This is really good. You have to make sure that you have this. If not, everything is gonna look like it's a bit lopsided. Even if it's 0.1 cm difference, right? If you draw the line and you try to put this on and it's not right angle, you know you mess up somewhere. So this is really helpful. Make sure you get one. I'm very glad that this is over now. I am going to go and cut the wood soon. Probably gonna put everything in a trolley and just bring everything out because there's too much stuff I need to bring out, basically. Let's hope that I really manage to bring everything I need. My back really hurts. Ow!